Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibe is so nice. Can I drink?
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. And today I have another hot video. 3 more stories from their dream of Jamaican women cheating on their spouses. Hot buns. Yo, since you're here right now, please help me grow the channel by just liking this video, leaving a comment, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the video. You want to stick around for the last story as well. It hot like a porridge in a pot. And also, let me remind you that all these stories are written in Patois. So I'll be reading in Patois. And I read me can't read. A Patois. Let's get into it. Hide me ID. Dear dream. So me and this girl a link when I was working at Mobile Reserve. Just graduate, never have no car. Say me out. Go link her, walk in a hours a night, gone a vineyard town, a mash up works. Couple weeks after, I go tell me she pregnant and me should give her 30 grand and she will put the next 30 to do abortion. Wait a minute. 60 grand for do abortion now? Ooh wee. So me say, no man, I can find somewhere cheaper. She a say, no. Me a fret now, cause me really never ready for no kids. So me call a party and tell him. Them man say, yo, that money too low. A scam, she a scam you. So me just link her and tell her, when the baby born, come, I'll do DNA tests. I'll take care of my child. It's been 3 years now. and I'm yet to hear from her again. Them girl are wicked. Yo, the soldier said he was young. Him and this young lady a link up and walk him and go beat it down, Few weeks later, girl I said she pregnant and a 60 grand for the abortion. But she will put 30 and him put the next 30. What a girl wicked man. Where in a Jamaica a 60 grand for the abortion? Well, things might change. No, but it was then. I'm assuming probably 5 years ago. The girl are wicked. Anyways, on to the next story. Hide me ID. Imagine this girl tell me she never have no man. So one day after me and her I come from the sweatshop. Sweatshop, look a mobile, motel, look a hotel, cheap hotel. And me I carry her home. No party pull up side and me in a traffic and take her out. Take her out of the car. Yo, me frighten no F. Then the wicked girl call me back next day and tell me about is her brother. Them girl are wicked. What a wicked young girl this man. Her brother take her out of the car so vicious. Me can just imagine how this young man who telling the story him frightened. Probably want to piss up in car seat. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Now on to the final story of the day. Hide me ID. Boss even call her name Janet. The girl name from Spanish Town. As the time man a young youth. I guess he mean to say at the time. At the time man a young youth and just land at work. So me used to check her on the weekends. Check her one Saturday night and me a beat it hard. And his voice say, Janet. And start knock loud. Boom, 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 boom. So she say, go under the bed. And me go under the bed because one never come from the place. And two, me did young. Under the bed. And the man asks, yo. Oh, the man asks her, how she takes so long to open the door. And him rest him gun on the bedside table. Trouble. Heart a race like bolt. And Mr. Wheeze But I sketch asthma to rotted clot. Anyways, you know the wicked girl F the man, have sex with the man. The man and and me under the bed I get asthma attack. People they wanna sweet. Get a wicked. Let me go again. You know the wicked girl have sex with the man and me under the bed I get asthma attack. And when she done, she let me out when him asleep through the back door. Oh my gosh. And have the heart I call me if me reach home already. When he's a bad man she there with. Yo. Well, at least she call you and ask if I reach home safe. Some girl wouldn't. You know, she have a heart. But brother, she set you up. Rule number 1. Never go to a woman yard. Whether she tell you say are you alone she a link with, in the initial stage of dating, never visit a female home. Let she come to you. When you go her place, a problem that. Because women lie, as in this final story. She have her man and she make it seem like she alone live. And a gunman in her hole. And you as a regular degler, you couldn't lose your life. You're under bed. You couldn't lose your life if him come catch you in the house. You couldn't lose your life under the bed when the asthma hit you. Anyways, my peeps, I hope you really enjoy these stories. Gents, stay safe. Don't go on a woman yard unless you guys are exclusive and have been seeing each other for a while. Women, be careful when you go a man yard because he might have a woman and he didn't tell you a woman come home early. Problem. Be safe on both sides, males and females, and stop gay bun. Bun a problem. Yeah, your body ladies, but sometimes people snap in the moment. And gents, your body, your money, but women can snap in the moment and bad things can happen. Anyways, stay safe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please help me grow the channel by liking it, sharing the video, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Until next time, God bless, stay safe.
Watch me ask you first. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink